All right, so this is what opens up by default, the calendar for the ZenPlanner app. And you can see when you're reserved. You can see that today I'm reserved for the 540 class here. But if I click over to reservations, I can see everything I'm signed up for in the future. If I need to cancel a class, then all I do is click that class, go down to the bottom and click cancel reservation, and it cancels it just like that. If I need to reserve a different class, I would go to the calendar tab, and I would just go over to whatever class I wanted to sign up for, click the star where it says reserve, and then if I wanted to, even further, if I wanted to add it to my calendar, I could hit that button at the top to say add to the calendar as well. So that is where I see all future reservations. The calendar is where I can make any reservation for any class in the future. Attendance would be things in the past. On the right side, I don't have anything logged here, but you can look at the past attendance. In the top left corner, when you see the profile picture of yourself, or maybe just a face there, click view profile, and you can see certain things like your memberships, payment methods, bills, things of that nature as well.